Most portfolios are dull, they're full of screenshots, they look nice, but they tell you absolutely nothing about what changed for the client. And what happens is people scroll through them and all they're going to see is before and after images or pages that are about the home, about page, the contact page, and that's it. There's no story, there's no outcome, there's no reason to care. And you know what would make your portfolio so much more interesting? How about you show what happened after you launched the website? Tell them that the website's traffic doubled, show them the sales went up, or just explain how you help the client to get more bookings. That's the stuff that makes people sit up and take notice. And when they can relate to the results, they're going to trust you so much more, because business owners want proof that hiring you isn't a gamble. So use your portfolio to tell stories and don't overload it with pictures, and don't be afraid to add some personality. Tell them about the problems you had, what you learned along the way. Remember that you're not just selling websites, you're selling the ability to make something better.